Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching the flight you want to capture and opening the flight recorder tool immediately. Enable developer mode if needed, or click the recorder icon on the toolbar to expose controls. Choose a clear file name and destination folder so you can find recordings later, and set resolution and quality to balance disk space versus clarity. Once ready, press record. This starts logging aircraft state, camera moves, and controls. This ensures your capture will include the precise events you need. You now record the session while actively managing clips and markers. Use hotkeys to start, pause, and resume so you never miss a maneuver. Press the mark key to drop bookmarks at important moments. Switch camera angles and save each viewpoint so editing is flexible later. Keep an eye on disk usage and the recorder duration counter to avoid truncation. Make sure to periodically save mid-flight clips if you plan to sample multiple segments for highlights or tutorials. You finish by exporting the recording to the desired format and validating the file. Choose Anim for in-sim playback or export to common video formats for sharing. Convert with a trusted tool if necessary. Once exported, play the file to confirm audio, camera paths, and timing are intact. If export fails, check write permissions in the target folder, free up disk space, and update GPU drivers. These fix most issues. If problems persist, re-record a short test clip to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.